Today, I'd like to introduce the function. Export the point cloud to RCP format compatible with Autodesk Recap. In AcuteLas Studio plugin Rebuild3D, load the point cloud, go to the menu lineup, and then find the icon Export to Autodesk Recap. Another method is to right-click the point cloud and then click Export to Autodesk Recap. The user can use one of them. Select the point cloud file and set the color layer, and then click Export. Choose the folder to save the file, or create a new folder to save the file. Name the new folder as Recap, and then start exporting the RCP file. When finished, click Open Folder to find the exported file. The RCP file is generated successfully.